In this video we show you how to assemble our MOV-311BA adjustable wall mount. Before we begin, we remove the screw that join the VESA plate to the mount. We mark on the wall the position of the holes to be drilled for the anchorage of the mount. Use the base of the mount to mark the holes, using the spirit level provided. We then drill the holes and insert the 3 plugs. Position the mount and use the 3 washers and 3 screws to attach the mount to the wall. We place the trim on the base of the mount. Then we proceed to fix the VESA plate to the TV, using the washers and the appropriate screws depending on the model. We fix the TV to the wall mount. The articulated arm of this mount allows you to optimize the space, bringing a new aesthetic to your home or business. The mount can be tilted vertically at an angle of between -10 and +3 degrees, and adjusted horizontally at an angle of 180 degrees. It allows a horizontal correction of ±3 degrees and supports a maximum weight of 20 kilograms.